ready to begin their transformation into instant noodles. Ingredients measured. Life's simple alchemy. Resistance, the first struggle. Chaos yields to order. A new form emerges, stronger. The promise of what's to come. The ingredients are measured and mixed. Forming a smooth and elastic noodle dough.
Ready? Ready?
The dough, a simple beginning. It must be transformed.
Into something precise.
The dough is rolled into thin, even sheets. Powerful rollers create the perfect texture. Cutting blades shape the dough. Into thin, wavy noodle strands. The iconic instant noodle look. A modern marvel of efficiency. Each strand meticulously formed, a testament to precision. The noodles are steamed to partially cook them and lock in their structure. A delicate balance. Too little, they fall apart. Too much, they lose their soul. A transformation within the heart of the machine.
Unseen hands. Unsung efforts.
The structure locked. The essence preserved. But what is locked within? Beyond structure. Beyond form. Perhaps it is the echo of every grain, every drop of water, every human aspiration. The air hums with the drone of machinery. Steam rises in thick plumes from the conveyor belt, carrying a
The steamed noodles are molded.
into compact blocks.
Ready for drying.
Each block, a promise. In this vast cathedral of industry, the raw ingredients begin their transformation. A symphony to remove moisture quickly. From these simple blocks of flour and water, a precise journey begins. The machinery moves with a silent, graceful efficiency.
The blocks are deep fried.
The blocks are deep fried. The alchemy of the modern age. These machines hum with the promise of transformation, converting the mundane into the miraculous.
Or air dried.
The transformation is complete. Golden brown and glistening, the noodles emerge from the fryer, ready for the next stage of their journey. A metamorphosis from simple flour to this golden, intricate structure. Emerging now, the air-dried blocks. A delicate architecture of flour and air, perfectly preserved. And here, the air-dried blocks. A delicate, almost ethereal transformation, giving them their light, crispy texture. The very soul of instant satisfaction. Giving them their light, crispy texture. The very soul of instant satisfaction.
Giving them their light, crispy texture. The very soul of instant satisfaction.
The noodles are cooled to a safe temperature.
Before packaging.
Precision is paramount.
Every drop accounted for.
Meanwhile, special rooms prepare.
Seasoning powders, oils.
and dried garnish. That complete the flavor.
The art of anticipation.
High-speed machines wrap each noodle block. Its seasoning sachets, sealed airtight. A tiny universe, waiting to be unleashed.
The cartons are stored in a climate-controlled warehouse, waiting for shipment.
Each one, a promise, a destination. And the journey begins. The world demands a hunger endless. The world demands a hunger endless. Forklifts load the cartons, each box a promise. Forklifts load the cartons, each box a promise.
Destined for supermarkets, for shelves, and homes. Destined for supermarkets, for shelves, and homes. Destined for supermarkets, for shelves, and homes.
A relentless ballet, unseen, unheard. A relentless ballet, unseen, unheard.
From raw potential
Point to packaged promise.
Days turn into weeks.
Will its flavor ever be known?